In this lesson, we will examine the use of the default rate. The default rate is a property that allows any type to have a default value. Thus, we can quickly create a type using only the default values without initially giving any values. First of all, let's start by seeing how the default rate behaves as a derivative. I want to show you the other way, as you can do variable binding in this way. Both will give the same result. Moreover, by adding the debug feature, let's print the result as output. When you look carefully at the result, we see that the U16 type number has a default value of 0, while the string type field does not contain any characters. This is, of course, there are the outputs given to us by the default rate, which is used as a derivation. Although it is very fast to use, it does not offer the opportunity to change the values. In order to determine the values ourselves, we need to perform the default rate integration manually. We create a default function which is provided to us by the default rate to return data of type char. Moreover, don't forget to remove the trait we derived in the first place. Now it's time to examine another major function of the default trait. Let's say we want to change the range value, leaving the brand name the same. In this example, although the structure has two fields, maybe there are dozens of fields in the algorithm you designed, and you may want to change and use only a few of them. So let's demonstrate our scenario. It will add its own default values for us in the remaining fields. It saves you a lot of chore in a very useful way.